some walking sticks. Hi guys! Our goal is to find poison ivy. It's not poison ivy because there are not 3 leaves and it's shiny. No, we're here for teaching them about nature. Look at all that slime. There's like 10 million. Look at that. Guys. It's a dead end. I thought I'm gonna catch it. Look. All one clover.
4 leaves?
There are more. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. There are more than 27? Oh. Ants? I don't know. I don't want to go over there. There's anthills. And it's on a rock, so I can't get up there. I just felt a spider. Or a fly. I'm scared. That's 3 leaves in the shiny.
It's not very shiny, right?
No, it's shinier than any other ones I can see.
Yeah, but it's not as shiny as what we're looking for. Poison.
Oh, I found it. There's 1 sprinkle inside, but it's just 1 leaf. So I'm gonna put on this one. So put like 1 sprinkle on it, but it's not poison ivy. First one, make it. Second one, make it. Third one. There's a brand new structure, everyone. That one. And tell the truth. There's a brand one. Oh, there's Doritos over there. So, but for real, someone must be living here. I'll try to chop down this tree. This is the lily of the valley. It smells pretty, so I have to smell it. It smells like the lily of the valley.
Does it?
It smells like yogurt.
What?
It smells like it. Smell it. I need some.
It's yogurt.
Yes, and yogurt. Or maybe this is made out of yogurt. Do you see those butterflies playing? Doesn't hurt that much. We're gonna just do like. Now it hurts. I think I see one. This is a bad part.